Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. We are having multiple news in Euro and USD today, but the major high impact news is at 10:31 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious around 10:31 p.m. since this could be a high volatile area and the spread could be really high. So now let's move to the charts. This is the monthly chart of Euro USD and the price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, we broke below this strong low. This breaking of the strong low gave us a bearish bias into the market. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this area where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction, but couldn't break below all these equal lows, rather it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the market a bullish push. So now let's move to the weeklies. This is the weekly chart and we can see that this was the candle which was responsible for the bearish move into the market. The price swept the equal lows and moved into the upside direction, and currently the price mitigated this unmitigated candle and moved into the downward direction. So where are we right now? The price swept the swing, that is the weekly swing, and moved into the upside direction. And what do we have is, we are having equal highs into the weekly level and unmitigated candle. So most likely we are going to move into the upside direction, taking all these equal highs. So now let's move to the dailies. So this is the daily chart and we are having this equal high and the price is currently sweeping the lows of the previous days. So now let's move to the 4 hours. So this is the 4 hour chart and we can see that the price is sweeping the lows, but we are having unmitigated POI right below this low. So most likely if we are going to go below, we can see a reaction from here and then move into the upside direction. So now let's move to the 1 hours. So this is the 1 hour chart and we can see the unmitigated wick in the 1 hour. The price is having unmitigated order block of the 4 hour. So most likely I'll be anticipating the price to mitigate this 1 hour unmitigated wick and then move into the downward direction and mitigate this POI and move into the upside direction later. So for today's bias, let's move to the 30 minutes. So this is the 30-minute chart and we are having unmitigated POI into the 30 minutes. So most likely if we are going to break this high, we are going to switch into the bullish phase and this will be the low. But if not, then we are going to see a reaction from this POI and we are going to move into the downward direction, mitigating this higher time frame POI and then move into the upside direction. So let's move to the 15 minutes for the session's liquidity and the bias for today. So I'm anticipating the price to take the Asia high, mitigate this POI and then move into the downward direction. So for today's bias, I am bullish till this Asia high is broken by the market and then we are going to move into the downward direction towards this POI. If not, this is our invalidation zone. If the price invalidates this zone, most likely we are going to be bullish into the market. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.